Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a DIY with a can. We're gonna be turning it into a flower pot. Let's get started. And we're gonna need some string to decorate it. And some buttons. You can put whatever you want. I choose buttons. And some beads, some gems. And last but not least, we're gonna need some glue. Let's get started. We're gonna need some rocks to fill the flower pot. And we're gonna need some flowers so we can fill the flower pot. Now I'm gonna get some yellow flowers. And we're gonna need some dirt so we can plant the plant. Let's go. Let's fill the flower pot. Now let's put the dirt. Now let's add the flowers. Now let's put some rocks for decoration. How beautiful. The final results. Thank you guys for watching my video. See you guys next time. Bye.